Welcome to the Online Citizenship Orientation, San Diego Continuing Education, Spring 2020. In this class, you will prepare for the naturalization interview, learn the questions and the answers to the 100 civics questions, learn the vocabulary related to the N400 application that helps you understand the questions. Know what skills are required to pass the reading and writing portions of the naturalization interview. Practice for the USCIS interview with the instructor via Zoom conference. The USCIS interview has 3 portions. You have to pass on 3 portions of the interview to become a U.S. citizen. English test, 100 civics questions, and N400 questions. It is very important that you know how to log into Canvas. Your username is your 10-digit college student identification number. Your password is your date of birth, without hyphens, slashes, or spaces. Returning online students, use your current password. For technical assistance, your help desk staff are standing by 24/7 to assist you. Call 844-612-74121 or email support@instructor.com. It is also very important that you know how to contact your instructor. The first thing that you should do before you start studying is to download the Zoom software onto your computer. Please watch the video to know how to install Zoom video conferencing. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor and she will be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you for coming.